The second thing that I want you to do is to attend lectures. Listen to me. I say this over and over again, and I don't care how excellent you think you are. You need to attend lectures. Now, when I say attend lectures, I'm not saying attend a lecture because, so that once in a while you join the lectures, you join the live lectures, and then blah, 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 blah. No, attend lectures and be conscious to join lectures. One of the experiences we have here is that we have the best platforms available to be able to help students to put themselves in the position to pass the examination. The best. What do I mean by that? Our platform gives you access to summary videos on all of the topics that you need to understand in order to put yourself in the position to pass the examination. In addition to this, you are getting access to the full lecture videos, previous full lecture videos that you can go through the entire syllabus with practice questions to put yourself in the position to pass the examination. You also get access to be able to do live practice questions on our online portal to be able to find out how to work with speed and accuracy, and also join our live lectures where we go through the entire syllabus, do assignments, do performance evaluation tests, and then you study directly under my mentorship with the team here as we guide you in order for you to prepare for the examination and pass the exam. And so attending lectures is very key because many of the students are getting the shock of their life because of the lack of involvement in attending lectures. And I know somebody is going to tell you that, hey, don't worry. I know a friend, he was writing this paper. He didn't even attend any lecture. He just picked the book and did something. And by the grace of God, he went and passed the examination. Yeah, we know the grace of God is valid. We know the power of the Holy Spirit is paramount. But you need to understand that you got to study. You got to work hard. The fact that somebody did not attend lectures does not mean you too don't attend lectures. I keep on saying this all the time that when you put 10 people in a room and ask them to study for the examination, I can guarantee you only 1 out of the 10 will actually go into the exam and do something significant to be able to pass the exam. 9 out of the 10 will fail. The reason is because many people don't even know how to do a simple Google search. Many people don't even understand the structure of the examination. Many people don't understand how they are expected to write out their answers. Many people don't understand what they are expected to do in the exam hall. Many people don't understand how to move with speed and accuracy. Many people do not understand how to balance their emotions in the exam hall and make sure that they control themselves to be able to write out their answers in the manner that they are expected to write the answers. So all of these things can only be worked on when you join a class. All of these things can only be polished when you are part of a community. And that is what we do here at the Nhyira Premium organization. And so really, I want you to attend lectures. Now, if you are somebody who has written the paper over and over again, maybe you've written the paper 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times, then maybe I will recommend that you enroll in the Nhyira Premium Platinum course, because that course is for such individuals, high-level coaching and mentorship session, which I'm going to be having with students in that particular category, where we are really delving deeper, going down the route, and then finding out what your problems are and providing you with the guidelines that you need in order for you to pass the examination. And so if you are somebody in that group, I will recommend that enroll in our Nhyira Premium Platinum course. It's going to be a limited group of people who are like-minded, have written the paper twice or 3 times, and they didn't pass, and they are seeking to do a resit. And in that community, we're going to be guiding you, providing you with the blueprints, dealing with the challenges that you have in order for you to pass the examination. So you can head on to our website, nhyirapremium.com, enroll in our regular course. But if you're somebody who has written the paper over and over again and you're looking for something that will help you to enable you to cross that line, then I will recommend that you enroll in the Nhyira Premium Platinum course and make sure you read the details about each of the courses. We have terms and conditions relating to each of the courses. Make sure you read them because, listen, our community is not for everybody. Yeah, we are a school and we want to really help a lot of students pass the examination, but our community is not for everybody because we are going to hold you accountable. It is not business as usual. You're not going to be enrolling in a course and you just come to class, join the class, and that's all. Join the class and that's all. No, you're going to be held accountable. Assignments will be done. Performance evaluation test will be done. You will be required to do a couple of projects, mini project works. You are going to be required to participate fully in our live lectures, in our extra classes, as well as in our mock sessions. And so it is not an environment where you just walk in, pay fees, and do whatever the heck you like. No, it is an environment where you are going to be held accountable. So I will entreat you to read our terms and condition very well. And if you are comfortable with our terms and condition and you are seeking to take your life to the next level as early as possible, then I can guide you, give you the mentorship that you require. This is what we are called for, and we can assist you in order for you to pass the examination and take your life to the next level. So really, you want to make sure you attend lectures.